Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to wash your braided wig at home without spending money in salon and without getting your closure tear. In this video I'm washing a closure braided wig, so I will take my water and add my shampoo inside the water. You can use any shampoo you have available in your house. Add the shampoo inside the water and dip the braid inside the water. Concerning the closure, please, I have been having message in my DM that each time I try to wash my braid, the net got tear. Watch this video and see how to wash the closure. Washing the closure, you apply the closure, the shampoo on the closure, and use your hand, your palm to brush it out, brush all the dirty out. Please don't scrub the closure as if you are washing clothes. Use your palm to brush out the dirty. The dirty will come out very well. It will look neat. Then you raise the wig and be using your hand to brush the dirty out of the wig. This way your wig will look neat and very clean. Please watch this video to the end and see how to wash it from the beginning to the end. I turned the first dirty away because it was so dirty. I add water again to wash it the second time. See how I'm trying to clean up the closure. Wash it the same way I'm washing it here, and believe me, your closure will never tear. It will remain the way it was before you start to wash it. After washing it inside the second water, remember this is a braided wig, it's not normal a revamp wig. After washing it in the second water, I turned the second water away, then I raised it because it was already clean. Raising it with cold water, please don't raise it with hot water. After raising it with cold water, I put my hot water on fire. I need to redip this hair inside hot water. Hot water is to make sure the ponytail style remain the same, because after washing it you might have caused a lot of things to the hair. So I add my hot water so retain the beauty. So after applying the hot water, I leave my braid outside to dry. I sun dry it. After sun drying it, I spray my oil sheen and mousse. It look very beautiful at the end of everything. This is a simple way to wash your braid with